Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to day 22 of our web development class. Today we're going to talk about section and list. So we're going to start with a section, creating a section, and also creating a list. So we are starting with creating a section. What is a section? A section is a structural HTML element used to group together related elements. It is used to group together a related element. Okay, so I'm going to start it. We're creating a section. This is creating a section, so just write section. Okay, and then we open the section. Let me just write heading 2. Open heading 2. I'm sure you still remember what heading is all about. Heading 1, heading 2 is just to write our text and the size of the text. That is what it stands for. Okay, heading 2, let me put something like my menu. Okay, so let me close heading 2. Heading 2. Okay, and then let me just put a paragraph. Writing a paragraph on HTML is like, writing a letter, and you are writing a paragraph in a letter. Every content in that paragraph, maybe it's line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5, every one of them are a paragraph. So you write them together just like as you are writing a letter. Okay, so let me put a paragraph here. This is my favorite menu. Okay, so let me close the paragraph. Okay, then I need to close this section now. Close this section. So okay, now we have created a section, so can we just save it and run it and see what we just created? Okay, saving it is Ctrl S, or you can go to File and then click Save. Just save. Okay, now for us to run it, we can go back to the screen, to the desktop screen. We have a folder there. We created a folder first in our first class, and then click on the name that you use in saving your text editor. So I'm double clicking on it, and then it will take me straight to my web browser. Okay, you can see what we just created on my menu, and this is my favorite menu. Okay, so this now, the two line now are together. Okay, we created it and then we grouped them together as one element. So it's different from the first one that we created with heading 1, which is, this is my new web design class. Okay, so we've done that now. The next thing we need to create in this platform is, let's go back, then let's create a list. We want to create a list. We have two types of lists. We have ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list and unordered list. So we are going to start with unordered list. How to create an unordered list. So I will come here now. Okay, and then let me just create this. Let me start with list of ingredients. So I'm using heading 3 to create my list of ingredients. List of ingredients. It can be any contents, whatever you want to be there. So I'll close it. Heading 3. Okay, so now I'm going to create my unordered list. So I will open UL, okay, then press enter key and write line 1, L1. Okay, so in that L1, let me say flower. Okay, so let me close that. L1. So I will open another list. Let me say egg. Okay, and also close the list. And then let me add something. Let's say water. Another list. Then water. And close the list. Okay, so and then we need to end the unordered list. Okay, okay, so let's save this now. Going to file, click on save. Okay, so we'll go back to our web browser and just refresh. Okay, now when you see here now, you notice we have created a list. We have flower, we have egg, and we have water. And you know, it's not on either on an alphabetical order or in 1, 2, 3 or so. So you cannot see this is number 1, this is number 2. You can see some dots in front of our list. That is to tell you that what we just created is on ordered list. So we are going to create a ordered list. So let's go back to our text editor. I am using Notepad++. You can use any other one that you feel deem. Okay, so now we are creating another one inside the section again. Okay, so let's have another heading 3. Heading 3. So let me say steps. Okay, let me close that. Okay, so now we are having ordered list. OL is what we use to start ordered list. OL. Okay, so things on the list, on ordered list, we have the first one, put flower inside the bucket. Okay, so let's have another list again. Another list, let's say crack the egg. Okay, let me close the list and open another list again. I hope you are following. It's so easy. Just follow the step. You'll get it done. Okay, so this time around, let me say pour oil, or let's say pour water. Okay, pour water, and let me close that. Okay, so let me say also, let me scroll down so that you can be seeing what we are doing. Okay, another one, another list. Okay, this time around, say mix it together. Mix it together. Okay. And let's have another one. Let's say mix it together and then bake it. Bake it. Okay, let me close the list. Okay, so lastly, let me just say enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. So we close the list. Okay, then we need to close the ordered list. So we just open this OL and that's it. Okay, so let's save it now. Go to, okay, let me scroll down for you to see what is there. We have this. Okay, so these are all the codes for beginning. Okay, I'm sure you're seeing it. Okay, so these are the codes. We are done with it, so let's save now. Go to file, click on save. Okay, so let's go back to our web browser and refresh. This button you see up here is for refreshing, so just refresh it. Okay, you can see the new steps that we just created, and the second one, you notice that it has number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It's because what we use the second time is an ordered list. The first one is on ordered list, so that is why the first one did not give us numbers, but the second one gave us numbers. Okay, so that is our class today. I hope you enjoy it. So until we meet again, my name remains Godi Amaga, a software developer and a coding instructor. You can reach me on my WhatsApp number 081-780-66776. Thank you so much.